Hot topic.
If you break a law in a country in Europe, not necessarily a British law, it could be an obscure one that you're not aware of, they could in fact ask the British court for your extradition to their country, and the British court has no means of denying them their rights because this is the European arrest warrant. So for example, if you are a plane spotter, and this happened to people from Tamworth in my constituency, and you take photographs of planes not knowing that that's illegal in Greece, the Greeks, when you come back, can issue an arrest warrant and have you taken over there and tried. And that's what can happen. I mean, it has been in more serious cases than that. We had a gentleman from Leek who was accused of murder in Italy, but he wasn't even there. He hadn't been, and it certainly wasn't him. He was making pizzas at the time because that's what he does in Leek. But they wanted to extradite him. We stood in on that and stopped it because we could prove that he wasn't there. And also, UKIP MEPs have been springing people from jails on the continent. One in particular was in Hungary, where 2 people were arrested under the arrest warrant. They were extradited from the UK, and they hadn't even got the evidence together. So these guys were languishing in jail in Budapest, just languishing in jail while they decided whether or not they find the evidence, because they don't have habeas corpus. They do not have the ability, as we do in this country, to present the person to court and ask for a number of more days for them to be detained. Instead of that, they just bang them up in jail and leave them there.
Hot topic.